Welcome to MRC Center, and my name is Michael Rossi, and this video is dedicated to a big community, Uber community in Australia. And this explanation is due to so many questions and so many different requests, because I'm a member of a couple of Uber groups in Queensland, and I would like to record this and dedicate this video to all the Uber drivers in Australia. They put a lot of hours and efforts and they try to make a living. Therefore, I would like every Uber driver, if possible, to listen to this video. And if you are listening, please share this video with your mates on your Facebook profile. Do whatever you can. Let them listen to this video, because there are a few things here I'm going to cover that it will be very useful for many Uber drivers, that they go on Uber platform because of many other factors in their life, and there are a few things I want to cover. Now, I can't explain everything here to highlight the reasons and the forces in the market that push people to go on Uber driving. Yes, many people might say, it's just because we need the money, but that's not the only reason people go on Uber driving. And I'm one of them, that I did not need the money to go and do Uber driving and face the society, face the grassroots of our community. My reason was that I was getting depressed at home and I needed the interaction. I need the socializing aspect of it. And that was the reason I did Uber driving, and it really helped me. And if I didn't do Uber driving at that time, I did it for 3 years. And when it started in Gold Coast, and I was one of those early ones, and I did it as a part-time. I only did when I wanted to do it, and I felt that I need to get out and meet people, network, and socialize. So that was my reason. Now, there might be many other reasons that you might do, which I will discuss in my workshop. That's what I'm going to introduce you to, a dedicated workshop, free of charge for Uber drivers. If you are already an Uber driver, then this is absolutely free of charge. If you want to become a new Uber driver, then I expect you to use my referral code number, so that I can get some referral code, some sort of income from Uber offers referral fees. And that way I can cover my expenses when I'm hiring the place for this workshop and other expenses involved. So I'm calling this as a MRC Uber Workshop. And if you're listening through Uber groups anywhere in Australia, this thing is free of charge for you, okay? Usually it's worth about $330 value, but absolutely free. No misconception. There's absolutely no fees involved, no hidden agenda, and no cost, okay? So don't have that doubt, there are some catches. No, there's no catches. This is a genuine, my payback to the community, and one of the communities that has helped me back is Uber community, and now it's time for me to give it back. And this is the way I think I can give back. By profession, I'm an accountant. I'm a retired accountant. I'm an advisor now. I don't do tax returns, and I don't do basic accounting jobs or financial reporting, anything like that. I'm more on advisory and mentoring, and I do workshops. I leverage my advisory role by having workshops. So therefore, in this workshop, which is my core business of conducting workshops, is there are many reasons I want this workshop done by Uber drivers. If you are an Uber driver that you are in between jobs, and that's why you're driving, because you need to pay your expenses, make a living, then this is ideal. If you are a retiree and you need a bonus and you're driving Uber because you need to subsidize your income, this is ideal for you. If you are a person that is thinking, has got an idea of starting some sort of business, this workshop is ideal for you. If you are in business already, but you're driving Uber because at the moment your business is not big enough or profitable enough to pay your living, and that's why you're subsidizing your income by going additional driving with Uber, then this is ideal for you. I'll explain to you how it's ideal to you. First of all, in this workshop, we'll be focusing on optimization of your time. If you're going on Uber, you're in your car, you're spending time, effort, and petrol, you want to optimize the return on your investment. So therefore, I have gone through this process 3 years part-time and have come up with some formula of how you can maximize your return on the hours, whether you're a full-time or part-time Uber driver. And these are the formulas I'm going to discuss in this workshop. Now, secondly, I'm going to explain to you how do you efficiently do Uber driving while you're building up something else. And this is because Uber gives you that freedom to build something else on the side. Or you might be looking for a job, which I will explain to you what the opportunities are here. So therefore, this workshop, even though it's free, but is packed with valuable advice, valuable connections, and the opportunities that I'm going to introduce to you. I'm not selling anything. I'm just going to introduce it to you. Everyone is different. Everyone comes from a different background. Everyone's requirements and needs are different. Therefore, I'm not going to address all of it here, but there might be something you can pick it from all these explanations I'm going to go through. Okay. The next one was why to attend this workshop, which I explained to you. It's crucial. It's important. The worst case scenario, you walk away from this workshop and you've learned a lot of things and it hasn't cost you anything, okay, financially. Yes, you've invested some time. It's a 3 hours workshop, okay? MRC Ambassador Program. Now, if you are one of those people that you are not business type, you want to really make money without really investing any dollars or capital, or you want to really make some sort of money that it comes regularly and you want that stream of income, we have a program. You can go to our website and it's called Ambassador Program. Ambassador Program is you become our ambassador. So you've got no products, no services, and all you do is we teach you how to use your existing network to sell our workshops, and we give you a very generous cut of the sales, and you might do 4 or 5 a month, and that will be enough for subsidizing your livelihood. So Ambassador Program is for those people that they want to stay as a kind of an employee. I don't want to do a business, I don't want to risk anything, and this is for those categories of people. Then we have MRC Startup Workshop. You must say, I have an idea, but I have no idea how to start it or monetize it or capitalize it. And I want to really get to someone who can really do this for me, or who can really advise me. So a startup workshop is for those people that they have the idea, they want to take steps, but they don't know what to do. And this is a startup workshop. We tell you how to corporate structure it, what is a safe way, minimize your risk, minimize your tax liabilities, and how to set up your management, how to set up your IT, all that we discuss so that you pick it and decide which side is important to you and which one you have to apply. And we cover A to Z. Then we have the business that you have thinking of starting up. It could be the modern digital platform businesses like e-commerce. So we have a separate MRC e-commerce workshop. Now, you might say, I know how to start. I know how to run business. I've learned from my dad, my brother, my sister, my mother, and all that. But I don't know how to do e-commerce. A lot of information out there, but mostly they're trying to rip you off. Most of the consultants, they want to develop something for you, but it's not really suitable for your business. They charge you arms and legs and financially, but they don't really bring it from A to Z so that you can apply it. And here we show you the A to Z of e-commerce so that you are informed, and we will even tell you how to go and minimize the capital investment so that if you are starting it, you can use your money wisely. And that's what we do. Then you might say, listen, this is not my cup of tea. I don't do these sort of things. But I'm very passionate about property development or investment in property, things like that. So we conduct MRC Property Development Workshop. And we'll come to this. This is such an important workshop for people that are 40 plus. They've done all sorts of businesses in their life. They've made the money, they've lost the money, they've made the money, they've lost the money. Now they've come to a point that they want to have a slow-paced business. And to do that, they prefer property. And this is ideal for them. Let's say you don't know whether to start a business, go to ambassador program, or do an e-commerce, or even a property developer. We have a workshop called MRC Genesis Workshop. This is for someone who's confused, doesn't know what to do in life, doing Uber driving, to think about what to do, what direction to take. Genesis Workshop will clarify your direction so that you can choose where to go, what to do, or after all, to do anything at all. So this is an overall holistic way of looking at what the options available for you, and we'll explain each one of these options so that you can say, now I know this one is the right one for me. Now, what's all about this? What is Uber drivers, and what is the special offer here? For Uber drivers, only for Uber drivers, this is it's not a sales pitch. Only for Uber drivers, cost of all these workshops, that any one of them you choose, you can pay them by installment over 12 months or 52 weeks. This is a special offer for Uber drivers. And I'm going to put a connection to Eventbrite so that you can register for this free MRC Uber Workshop. And you may not do anything after that. That's okay. We are not hard selling anything. We're just giving you information. I'm not there to sell you anything. I'm just there to give you the options in your life that maybe you are in between something and you don't know where to go, what direction to go. And that workshop is ideal for that. Hopefully, I will see you in your city, in Australia, in major city, because this will be national. And I will see you in the workshop free of charge for Uber drivers. And if you have any referral or new Uber driver, use our referral code so that we can get some money out of it to cover our cost. Thank you very much. See you other side in the workshop.